Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the simple steps of creating a group on Messenger. Whether you want to plan a trip, stay in touch with family, or just have a private space to chat with your friends, setting up a group takes only a few moments. Let's dive right in. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the top right corner for the pencil icon. This is the Compose button, and it's where you'll begin. Go ahead and tap on it to start setting up your new chat. Next, you'll see a few options appear. From here, choose Group Chat. This is the feature that allows you to bring multiple friends together in one conversation thread. After choosing this option, Messenger will ask you to pick the people you want to add. You can scroll through your contacts, use the search bar, or simply tap the names of friends you'd like to include. You're free to add just a couple of people or as many as you need for your group. Once you've selected the members, the next step is giving your group a personality with a name. This not only helps everyone identify the chat easily, but also adds a fun touch that matches the group's purpose. For example, if it's for planning a vacation, you might pick something like Weekend Trip Crew. After typing in your chosen name, tap on Create to finish up. And that's it. Your brand new Messenger group is ready to use. From here, you can start sending messages, photos, GIFs, or even plan events right in the chat. You'll also have options to customize the group further, like changing the group photo, setting nicknames, and adjusting chat colors to make it feel more personalized. Creating a group on Messenger is a quick and effective way to stay connected. And now that you know the steps, you can set up as many groups as you need. Thanks for watching.